As a company, we've always been well treated with everything to do with JCB. They've always looked after us, even though we're only a small outfit. They seem to treat us the same as they would treat anyone else. It's, yeah, very friendly, almost family feeling place. I'm Jim Anderson, owner of We Jim Landscapes. We're a landscaping company based in Royal Deeside. We do hard landscaping and a lot of groundworks. We started off with a second-hand JCB 8018. We've purchased 3 8018s and we're now on to a 19C. It's what I'd driven in the past. In a previous life I'd driven JCBs, so it's what I knew and what I was comfortable with. I did try another brand, but it just wasn't for me. The JCB machine has always been reliable. The backup service we get from the dealership at Scot JCB is second to none. The reason we keep choosing them is they're easy to work, good machine, strong, and the service we get is second to none. We're 40–50 mile away from our local dealership. If they don't have an engineer to us that day, we get an engineer next day. Regardless whether we've one mini digger or a fleet of big diggers, they look after us. We're quite lucky. The factory backup is very good. If you need a major component that they don't have it at the local dealership, it can be overnighted and can be with you by 7–8 o'clock in the morning. That is, yeah, phenomenal really. We do not feel remote or isolated up here, which is what you want really. Because it's a family business, yeah, you do feel that through the company dealing with them, that yeah, you do feel that they will look after you and take you under their wing. There's always someone at the end of the phone, and they're very knowledgeable and very helpful. And as I say, if they're not out that day to you, they will be out next day. And because we live quite far away from the dealership, having that backup and knowing that that support is there is very important to us.